there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this amazing video. You'll find 80 plus new pixel hairstyle ideas for ladies. We're heading to 2025 right now. Of course, you want to see beautiful and amazing inspiration that you should expect to see more of come the new year. You find gorgeous pixel haircuts right here. You find some of the best short haircuts for women. This is absolutely beautiful and stunning. You can see that it's a very beautiful side swept hairstyle. This is also very lovely. I love the edgy look of most of these short hairstyles right here. When it comes to pixel cuts or pixel hairstyling, you'll find the very best as you watch this video, because at the end of the day it's all about you looking your best and having the confidence that you need to stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. So go right ahead and watch this video. If you're into maintaining a pixel cut, you are in for variations of styles that you can make selection from, because it's all about you at the end of the day. If you're looking for something cool, if you're looking for something cute, if you're looking for something classy, you're in the right place to watch and get ideas from it, because at the end of the day it's all about you looking your best and having the very best style to work with. So go right ahead and share this video with friends and family. Let's hear your thought about it on the comment section. If you have a compliment, a suggestion, or probably a question, you can definitely leave those on our comment section. Go right ahead and leave us that thumbs up, that like. It goes a long way to showing your support for what we do on this platform. We always try as much as possible to, of course, give you the very best hairstyle and haircuts experience for your next hairstyling. Say you have a hair appointment and you're wondering what to work with, you're in the right channel to pick a style from what we have for you. So go right ahead, watch the video through the end. You can also check out our previously uploaded videos. We have tons of amazing videos already up and running that you can work with. Go right ahead and leave us a like, leave us a comment, share this video, and get subscribed. Do not forget the notification bell as you do all this. Till tomorrow, you take care and have a wonderful, lovely time out there. Bye.
Thank you.